Are your lips dry from all that sunbathing you've been doing this summer?
Check out our Summer Lovin' lip balm recipe that we're going to make in this video. It uses all natural ingredients plus essential oils to get that amazing summery smell.
And you get this cool little tube that you can reuse.
What? To make this recipe, open your essential oil recipe box, pull out your labels, find your recipe card, grab your 2 lip balm tubes that come in that month's box, along with Good Vibes Essential Oil Blend.
And from your big bonus box that you get as a first-time subscriber, you're gonna wanna grab your beeswax, your solid coconut oil, and your infused peppermint oil that we made from another recipe from this box.
Or you can replace that oil with almond oil or fractionated coconut oil, which both come in your big bonus box.
Let's go.
We're gonna start by adding ingredients to a double boiler. A double boiler is just a pan or glass measuring cup that sits inside another pan of boiling water. You can also do this in a microwave safe container and melts at short intervals. But we are going to add a ½ tablespoon of solid coconut oil, a teaspoon of beeswax, plus a teaspoon of our peppermint infused oil. Again, you can replace this with any other carrier oil like almond oil or fractionated coconut oil. All right, we're gonna stick this on a pan over medium heat to melt, and once it's just melted, we'll take it off and add our essential oils. So it's melted, and we're gonna add 6 drops of Good Vibes essential oil in. Stir it quickly, and it's gonna start to solidify, so you'll wanna do this with a jump in your step. Now we're going to add it to our lip balm tubes. If your lip balm mixture solidifies before you can pour it, you can put it back on the heat to gently remelt it and then pour it.
Just make sure you don't melt it too long because the essential oils will evaporate.
So now we're gonna let this cool and then add labels from our recipe box. Here are our finished lip balms. You can press up the mixture by pushing on this bottom circle. And it's ready to be used.
And they're reusable.
Thanks for watching. To get everything you need for this recipe, go to simplyearth.com/box and hit subscribe.
See you later.
Uses all natural ingredients plus essential oils to get that